Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks. This video is just a little bit of insight on text and using the text menu. Couple of things. There's a lot here. You can edit the text, so you can change it up here. Now you can do the same thing in most versions of Corel. It's right there. But you can go to text. You can go to change case, and we're going to change it all to uppercase. So if you had a lot of text, that would be very important. If you go to text and write change case and go to sentence case, it'll make the capital T. Now let's go back. Let's make them all. I like making, when I do text to path, I like all caps. So we'll go to text, change case, uppercase. Now, same thing, go to text to path, and put on your path, and when you get that red line, you've got a text. Now, one thing that's pretty neat about this, if we go to object, well, you need to really select it all, and go to object and break the text apart. You've got a curved text, and you go, you know what, I want to make the circle smaller, but you don't want to retype all the text. You can go to text and straighten text, and it'll put it back to where it was. There's a lot here. Your writing tools, your spell check, grammar, thesauruses. Some of this I've never used. This is glyphs that are going to give you all kinds of symbols. And, you know, this is Arial, so it doesn't have all that stuff, but there's some pretty neat things you can do with this, especially if you're in like Wingding. Wingding has a lot of, let me get to Wingding. Wingding has a lot, arrows, curved arrows, all kinds of shapes, even arrows with, you know, sides on them, like the reverse or the backup, double arrows. Pretty neat stuff. I mean, you can take that and just grab it and bring it into the Corel, and there you have a curved arrow. Anyway, I hope that helped just a little bit. Thank you for watching.